The all-electric Ioniq 5 is one impressive machine. After all, it was our 2022 EV of the year, but that isn't keeping Hyundai from cooking up a high-voltage N model for those who want maniacal performance. Like other gas-fired models from the company's N performance brand, we expect that the Ioniq 5N will deliver its thrills at a high-value price point. While it rides on the same platform as the Kia EV6 GT, it's not just a Xerox copy with a Hyundai badge. The N division has done all of its tuning to make its hottest electric SUV go, stop, and turn in its distinct way. The Ioniq 5N's dual electric motors put out 601 horsepower normally, but, thanks to the N Grin Boost feature, they get an adrenaline injection that temporarily bumps power output to 641 ponies. Like other N models, the muscled-up Ioniq flaunts athletic hardware compared to its more pedestrian counterparts, including a large rear diffuser, larger wheels, stickier tires, big brakes, wider fenders, and a racier nosepiece. Our preliminary drive in a pre-production prototype left us excited to experience the finished product. All Ioniq 5Ns come with a dual-motor, all-wheel drive configuration that makes 601 horsepower, most of the time. When the N Grin Boost feature is used, the powertrain can spin itself up to a maximum of 641 horsepower temporarily. Its all-wheel drive system gives drivers the ability to distribute the bulk of that power to the front or rear wheels as desired. There's even a dedicated drift mode that inspires enough confidence to let you hang the tail out in lurid slides. 4 different modes, Eco, Normal, Sport, and N, adjust the steering weight, damping, and throttle sensitivity. To make the N feel more like a high-performance gas-powered car with a multi-speed automatic, Hyundai has programmed in a simulated gear shift feature that replicates the feel of a shift when you pull the steering wheel-mounted paddles. Those familiar with the cabin of the regular Ioniq 5 will find the N's interior familiar, but Hyundai has added several performance-oriented features to heighten the experience. A set of aggressively bolstered front seats help hold you in place during high-speed cornering, and a unique steering wheel features buttons to access the SUV's drive modes, regenerative braking levels, and the N Grin Boost feature. We expect to see an identical amount of passenger and cargo space as the standard Ioniq 5, which held a maximum of 20 carry-on suitcases inside with the rear seats folded during our testing. Ioniq 5N delivers an engaging shift feeling and sensory driving feedback that performance enthusiasts often miss in an EV. Our NE shift technology gives you a sense of control over power delivery and that jolt feeling between shifts for greater driver feedback and control. Ioniq 5N lets you truly feel and hear your drive, and change the sound of it. N Active Sound Plus is paired with NE Shift to enhance your driving experience. A 10-speaker system offers 3 sound themes, which react dynamically to how you're driving based on speed and throttle position. Like all its N brethren, the Ioniq 5N features a wide range of additional performance-enhancing design elements, such as the wing-type rear spoiler, which enhances the sporty aspects of the standard model and maximizes its track driving potential.